Epson EcoTank ET-2800 wireless color all-in-one is designed for handling occasional home printing, copying, and scanning in one device. Check whether its configuration fits that job. This video contains affiliate links, and I may earn a commission from qualifying purchases. The supplied listing states, innovative cartridge-free printing, no more dealing with lots of tiny ink cartridges. This matters most when evaluating the supported connections and paper handling. It also states, less frequent ink replacement. Replacement ink bottles don't have to be changed nearly as often as ink cartridges one. Use that detail to judge the routine document types named in the listing, rather than treating the feature list as proof of performance. For everyday ownership, plan for setup, replacement ink, paper storage, and clearance around trays and scanner lids. Before ordering, confirm dimensions, included parts, power, and compatibility. The main limitation is that an entry-level inkjet carries ongoing ink costs and may be inefficient for sustained high-volume printing. Busy offices or photo focus buyers should compare laser or dedicated photo printers. Overall, Epson EcoTank ET-2800 wireless color all-in-one best fits shoppers focused on handling occasional home printing, copying, and scanning in one device whose setup matches the supported facts.